Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you using Coingecko. Now click on Coingecko. Coingecko, how should I explain that to you guys? Okay, I should explain that later on. Let's just continue with Coingecko. When you click on, okay, before doing that, it will ask to register your email. I think I've registered already, which I shouldn't have done. You have to register. Once you download the app, put in your email, put in your login details, register. And once you register, you come to this candy option here at the top right. Click on it. You claim collect 10 candy. Click on switch. It will take you back and click on the arrow. Now you can do that every day. You need to just collect candies. If you go back here, you see your candy balance every day. Candy history. You can see this candy can be very, very useful and important in the near future for you. So that's, I think, the NFT section. That's basically how to get started with Coingecko. Now Coingecko will show you prices of different tokens. Then you can see here you have the top tokens here. I think it stops at 51. Top 51. Now for example, let us check on ETH, which is Ethereum. You can see, we click on exchanges, we can see where you can buy and sell this ETH. You can see here Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, etc. You see under pair here, you see ETH to USDC, ETH to USD. You see the price, you see the 24 hours volume there. This is just your portfolio. You can add coin to your portfolio and check easily. Now you can see info for Ethereum here. You click on info, you see the blockchain, the supply, the information here, the Discord. You can join Twitter and follow them on Twitter. News about what's happening about the token, guides. So it is it's an important app for you, not just to collect candies daily. If you want to search for a token that you can see here, just click on the search icon at the top right. Let it load. Then you click on the token. Let me just search for this. Here's the first 3-letter words there. Account. Click on it. Then you can see the details on it. When you scroll down, you see the 24 hours volume, the 1 hour volume, the 7 days volume, 1 month volume, and so on and so forth. Now if you click here, you see other details. The market cap, the FDV, fully diluted valuation, the trading volume, the 24 hours high and low, the available supply, and the total supply. The total supply is 1 billion, the available supply is 150 million. That means the token has a total supply of 1 billion token, and just 150 million is available. That means 150 million is trading, is on different wallets, and the max supply is 1 billion. All-time high, you can see it here. It got to $0.797613 23 days ago. That's July 18. All-time low was 3 days ago. You can see 0.40, and so now 0.41. So this is how to use your Coingecko very easily. To go back to markets, when you click search, you can use search here also. Just explore the app. If you have any question, you can always contact me at any time on WhatsApp, on Twitter, anywhere you feel you want to contact me. Okay, I think that's basically all for Coingecko. Okay, hold on. Okay, I've not explained what Coingecko is. Okay, Coingecko is a data aggregator for blockchain. As you can see, I think my explanation for it now should be easily understood by you, because you can see it's having various data for different cryptocurrencies. I think they have option for over 10,000 different coins or tokens. Yes, they have over 10,000 data that they aggregate. So you see live feeds, changes, immediate changes to prices for different tokens. You can see the NFT section here. NFT is called non-fungible token, and these are another different aspects that you can look at. That is very, 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 very large, very wild. So we look at that later on. So for now, I think that's enough for Coingecko. Okay, until next time. See you later.